Now at 5, he is now the convicted Creighton killer after a jury found Anthony Garcia guilty on all 4 murder charges.
Garcia had his glasses off and showed almost no emotion as the clerk read the verdict. KMTV has team coverage tonight. We begin with senior reporter Jake Wazakowski with the verdict. Jake?
Craig and Jen, family members of the victims, wept quietly as they heard the verdict rendered down by the jury guilty, read a total of 9 times. The jury deliberated into Tuesday night and today, ultimately finding Anthony Garcia guilty on all 9 counts. County Attorney Don Klein couldn't hold back his own emotions at times. Prosecutors wanted to thank the detectives who never gave up on the case, even when those Dundee murders went cold. They say the jury worked hard, listened, and they're very appreciative of what they did to reach a guilty verdict.
It's a great feeling because we've waited so long. There were a lot of roadblocks put in the way here to get this accomplished and get this trial finished.
Garcia didn't have much reaction throughout the trial. Once the verdict was read, the defense says there will be an appeal. Now, the jury will be back on Friday to decide if Anthony Garcia will be eligible for the death penalty. I spoke with legal analyst Randy Paragas a little bit earlier, and he told us that some of those aggravators are there, including one, which is a child was killed in these crimes, and 2, a crime was committed to conceal another crime, in this case, murder. Reporting live at the Douglas County Courthouse in downtown Omaha, Jake Wazakowski, KMTV Action 3 News.
Shortly after the guilty verdict this afternoon, Omaha Mayor Gene Stothert released this statement. The Hunter and Sherman, as well as Brumback families, have waited years for this guilty verdict. I hope the end of the trial provides solace for these families. The verdict represents a thorough investigation by the Omaha Police Department task force created by Chief Todd Schmaderer. The strong case presented by Douglas County Attorney Don Klein and his staff, and the thoughtful work of the jury. Omaha Police Chief Todd Schmaderer made this statement on Facebook. I was confident all along the citizens of Douglas County who comprised the jury would sift through the evidence and theatrics to find the right verdict, and they did. As we move forward, we are left to remember the victims, and there is no need to mention or worry about Anthony Garcia any longer.